So here we come back to our online exercise first. So online exercise, again, similar to the previous VR exercise. So we are going to ask you to do some reflection questions. So it's only 2 simple questions to reduce your workload. So both of the example is our example. So the first one is about the mixed reality convenience store. So we create a VR environments for the ID, intellectual disabled children to practice in the VR environment and note how to deal with the job duty in the VR situation in the convenience store by using the VR technologies. So we also have created a virtual customer. Yeah, the virtual customer is right there. And then by using this kind of the interaction, so they know that how to talk with the customer, what is the correct step, and then what is the feedback for the customer. So yeah, that is the case. Honestly, this one, we do not use the large language model. We only use the rule-based. So question and answer for the conversation, but because honestly, it's a customer, so you will not discuss about the weather, you will not discuss about your emotions or etc. When you go to a convenience store, you will not discuss this kind of thing. So the possibility of the speech, the number of the possible question and answer pair is limited. So that's why we use the graph model, Google Dialogflow, to complete the whole application. If you want more information, so there is a link, and then you can have a look with the informations, and then to understand more about the impact, and then more about the AI chatbot, etc. And then another one will be here, this one. So another example will be this one. So last summer, and we go to Yunnan and then do the interview with lots of the elderly. So we turn the elderly into a digital human. And now by using our platform, so you are able to discuss the content, especially about their story, the elderly story, using the digital human. So this kind of technologies, this kind of technology that we use here is true, is true LLM driven. So you can go to the website and then have a look with our word. So it's so slow. And then you can understand what is our project behind, and then understand what is the situation of these technologies, and also the situation of this product. Honestly, we also measure this kind of effect on the elderly by using the 5D5L questionnaire. So of course, not all the dimension of the quality of life can be improved. Only the depressions can be improved. But we strongly think that when the elderly, they know that their story is recorded down in the virtual world, their depression, their worry about their life will be decreased. So if you want to know more about this application, so here is the link, just click. I have no idea why I cannot do it. So back to the reflection answer. So you have to answer what is the best model for the elderly, okay, for the elderly. So this one is the companions. So that means similar to Siri, right? You just turn on the AI chatbot and then discuss the content with the elderly. So if I want to create a conversation AI companions for the elderly, so what is the best choice for the AI chatbot? So just select your case, and then if you really want to do a conversation companion for the elderly, you have any ethical consideration. For example, the privacy. So most likely is the privacy. So will the content of the AI companions go to somewhere else that we don't know? Or somehow, if you consider about the ethical, so if there are some suicides wording, so can you be sent out and then sent to somewhere that is they can ask for emergency call for their mental health, etc. So all sort of thing is the ethical consideration. Just try to point out 0.5 for each one. Just try to point out 3 points for me. Okay. And before we end the online session, I would like to show you one more example for you to create a digital human. We'll practice in our face-to-face exercise. So at least you will know, and then you will prepare one chatbot by using your technical skill. So if you want to experience a little bit earlier, so try to search conversation AI, COMVAI, and then create a new character, So you can, for example, I want to create virtual Peter, and then I can type in the core description of the virtual Peter. And then I can also type in the speaking style. Here I can change the avatar. Yes, here I can change the avatar settings. I'm sorry, I don't know why my level is so slow. You can change the view of the avatar. You can change the appearance of the virtual Peter, etc. And finally, you can export your virtual avatar. You can copy the link. You can share the character once you have finished. So if you have time and then you want to retry the virtual character, go to Conversation AI and have a look. And then we will try during our face-to-face lab exercise. So that's the end, and I hope that you enjoy another online sessions. Thank you.